Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Volta charging using the Volta app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with authenticating your Volta charging station using the Volta app, first, download the Volta app from the App Store or Google Play. After downloading, open the app on your device. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you finish filling out your details, tap on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification link from Volta to confirm your account. Click on the link in your email to verify your account. Return to the Volta app and log in using the email and password you just set. Now that you're logged in, locate the Find Charging Stations option on the home screen. Once you've found a nearby charging station, tap on it for more details. You will see a button that says Start Charging. Tap on this button to initiate the connection to the charging station. The app will prompt you to confirm the charging session. Review the session details and tap Confirm to start charging your vehicle. During charging, you can monitor your session's progress within the app. When you're finished charging, return to the app to stop the session. Simply tap the Stop Charging button in the app. You will receive a confirmation of the completion of your charging session. Your authentication with Volta charging is now complete, and you can easily use this process for future charging sessions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.